In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create product catalog on Facebook. So Facebook have this option for Facebook shopping. So you can directly offer your products from there and I'll show you how to do that. You just need to create a product list or product catalog. Head over first to facebook.com/business/shops and you should be able to see this. You can click on this get started or to this start now option in order to create an account. You can just use right here your Meta account or your Facebook account directly onto this part as well. Now I have in here this article that should be able to help us. So before you begin, you need to have a business portfolio to add your catalog to and make sure that you have full control for that. Go to your Commerce Manager and click on the Add Products option to create a catalog. If you have one or more catalogs, the link will redirect you to the Assets page where your catalogs listed. The catalog section, click plus and create a new catalog and click on continue. You can just choose one if you already have existing. Make sure that online products is listed and from there you can just host your products on a partner platform that has integration with Meta such as Shopify. Connect a partner platform and then from in there just sync it directly from there. Select a business portfolio where it will be added which you need to have full control with. So you need to automatically allow people in your business to manage your catalog, so make sure to give people access. You can manage the catalog permissions later in your business settings. Enter a name for your catalog and connect a metapixel or app SDK to your catalog from there. You can turn off give people access in step 4 if right here and assign people from there as well. Choose how you want to add product, like you can connect it to the data feed or manually add your products from there as well. After that, you now created a catalog with the products that you want added. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.